Tactical jackets are a one-of-a-kind tactical gear, packed with features and durability. These jackets are engineered to provide you the much-needed advantage and comfort to tackle any situation effectively. They are also waterproof to keep you dry in wet conditions, yet breathable enough to offer maximum maneuverability. Plus, you can wear them as a regular jacket with tactical features. There are a lot of tactical jackets available on the market with different quality, and to help you choose the perfect tactical jacket for you, we have listed the best 10 tactical jackets that you can have to deal with any kind of situation like a pro.
Check the video description for the links of the products. Since you are a new channel, don't forget to subscribe us as it will help us grow. Now let's enjoy the video.
Stay dry and warm in any tactical situation with Frogg Toggs Toadz Anura, a unique rain jacket that ensures you always remain dry in any tactical situation. Made from ultra-durable Toadz skin polyester backed by a micro-porous dry pore film, this rain jacket delivers 100% waterproof and breathable performance to keep you dry in any tactical situation. Its 3-panel Hideaway hood incorporates a visor and dual locking shock core adjustments for full head coverage. Combined with water-resistant full front zip closure, you can always stay dry without any leakage. It comes with zippered chest storage, 2 hand warmer pockets and 2 internal storage pockets to help you keep small essentials dry and protected. Its shock cord adjustment with dual cord locks at the hem and elastic cuffs with hook and loop adjustments ensure total water holdout. This jacket is also machine washable to provide you ultimate convenience. The Toadz Anura rain jacket from Frogg Toggs is a breakthrough in style and comfort, can keep you dry and warm in any tactical situation. Designed with specific features and users in mind, the maelstrom-tac-pro Softshell jacket is engineered to provide you the much-needed advantage in any tactical situation. It comes with 3-layer fabric construction that deflects wind, wicks away moisture and retains body heat so that you can always stay warm and cozy in any tactical situation. Made from 100% polyester, this jacket is durable, lightweight, breathable and water-resistant so that you can always stay confident and have better movability. This jacket features soft lining fleece to maintain warmth and to allow skin to breathe. It also features a removable hood with fleece-lined stand-up collar. It comes with shoulder pocket on each arm, forearm pockets on left arm, 2 front slash, zippered chest pockets, 2 zippered back pockets with mesh interior to keep your small tactical gears organized. The maelstrom-tac-pro Softshell jacket is built to keep you comfortable and dry in any tactical situation. Tru-Spec is one of the leading suppliers of uniforms and personal equipment to military, law enforcement, and public safety markets. Now meet the Tru-Spec 24/7 Tactical Softshell Jacket, a high-performance jacket that can be your perfect companion in any tactical situation. Made from 100% polyester with DWR water-resistant finish, this tactical jacket is 100% waterproof to keep you dry no matter what the weather situation is. It comes with 2 angled waist pockets with hidden, waterproof zipper closures and mesh lining so that you can keep your small tactical gears organized. This jacket features side seam zippers for easy access to belt or torso, and also includes hook and loop self-fabric cuff closures for watertight fit. The TruSpec 24/7 Tactical Softshell Jacket can provide you the edge needed in any tactical situation and keeps you always stay prepared. Deal with any tactical situation and stay prepared with Under-Armour-Jacket Jacket, a super durable and comfy jacket that ensures you always stay comfortable. Made from 100% polyester, this jacket comes with UV storm technology that repels water without sacrificing breathability, while its windproof construction shields you from the elements. Its durable, bonded 3-layer Softshell material has a quiet outer layer and superior stretch so that you can have the ultimate wear experience. This jacket's side zips allow for easy access to sidearm, while its secure chest and hand pockets keep your other tactical gear organized. This tactical jacket also comes with adjustable cuffs for a watertight seal so that you can stay dry in whatever situation you are in. The Under-Armour-Jacket jacket offers natural movement to drive you forward in any tactical situation. Designed for comfort and durability, the Condor Phantom Softshell Jacket delivers exceptional performance and maneuverability to keep you at the edge in any tactical situation. Made from 100% polyester, this jacket comes with 3-layer design, which maximizes your maneuverability without sacrificing breathability to keep you comfortable. It comes with a total of 8 pockets, including hidden internal pockets, where you can stash your small tactical gears and keep them organized. This jacket features an underarm vent zipper for enhanced air circulation and has reinforced elbow to maximize durability in any tactical situation. This jacket comes with drawstring waistband and hook and loop cuff adjustment to provide you perfect fit for optimum isolation. The Condor Phantom Softshell Jacket is the perfect choice for those who want the critical edge needed in tactical situation. Introducing the Blackhawk-Jacket Softshell Jacket, a high-performance jacket that will protect you from the elements without hindering your ability to protect yourself. It features a fully waterproof yet breathable barrier and a Teflon shield plus that repels oil, water and stains so that you can always stay dry in tactical situations. Its 9 pockets have plenty of space to hold whatever your mission requires, while its 2-way side seam zippers can be quickly unzipped, giving you easy access to a holster. This jacket's cushiated underarms keeps you moving freely and a vented back yoke provides excellent breathability. Its triple needle stitching and bar tracks deliver reinforcement needed under stressful wear and tear to maximize durability and ensure longevity. The Blackhawk Waterproof Tactical Jacket is the ultimate piece of outerwear to protect you from the elements in tactical situations. The M65 is the classic US military field coat. Manufactured to military specifications, the Alpha M65 represents the best in military fashion while retaining its military elements for functional use. With a perfect combination of nylon, cotton, polyester and lining, this jacket delivers ultimate performance and breathability to give you the much needed advantage in tactical situations. It comes with wear alone or button in ALS 92 liner for additional warmth so that you can always stay warm and cozy in any kind of situation. This jacket features concealed hood heating in color with drawstring at hood, waist and hem, which enables it to provide the perfect fit you need. This jacket has 4 exterior body pockets with 1 interior welt pocket where you can stash your tactical gears and instant access when needed. The Alpha Industries M65 field coat is built to provide you more room to carry all of your tactical gear and stay prepared. Stay prepared to tackle any situation with 511 Tactical Fleece Jacket, a high-performance jacket that combines performance with durability to give you the advantage you need in any tactical situation. Made from fleece material, this jacket is super comfortable to wear and offers excellent wind resistance. It also has reinforced collar, shoulders, and elbows to offer maximum durability. It comes with side zippers and snaps, including dual interior pockets where you can keep all of your small tactical gears and keep them organized. This jacket has Tactec system hidden chest pockets, which provides immediate access to critical gear such as a handgun, pistol magazine, flashlight, or cell phone. You will be able to keep your hands warm with the zippered hand warmer pockets, while the zippered pocket on the sleeve hold your important gear. So, tackle any rugged situation with 511 Tactical Fleece Jacket. Get ready to tackle any situation with Rothco Concealed Carry Softshell Jacket, a very good jacket that is always ready to provide you a helping hand in tactical situations. Made of a 3-layer fabric that repels water, deflects wind, and retains body heat, this jacket is well built to keep you warm and comfortable in any weather condition. This jacket features concealed carry pockets and 2 mag pouches on both sides for ambidextrous use so that you can get into action at a moment's notice. This softshell jacket features zippered pockets on each shoulder with the square loop filled for patches so that you can carry all of your tactical equipment with you easily. It also comes with a detachable drawstring concealed hood which can provide you maximum coverage in any tactical situation. The Rothco Concealed Carry Softshell Jacket is the perfect companion to have with you in any tactical situation. Introducing the #1 tactical jacket on our list, the Condor Summit Softshell Jacket, a high-performance jacket that ensures you always stay ready even when the situation is not. Made from 100% polyester, this jacket comes with triple-layer combination that wicks moisture, stops water from passing through, and circulates body heat to provide maximum comfort. This jacket features a total of 8 pockets, including a hidden pocket so that you can carry all of your tactical equipment wherever you go. It comes with an underarm vent zipper that can enhance air circulation to keep you comfy in any tactical situations. It also has double-layer reinforced forearm to ensure durability. This jacket has drawstring waistband and hood with adjustable wrist cuff, which allows you to have the perfect fit and provide watertight seal to keep you dry. The Condor Summit Softshell Jacket is the ultimate jacket to have with you and tackle any situation like a pro. So that's all about the best 10 tactical jackets for outdoor. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.